Hey folks, Darren from D&O Auto Sales. It's Friday. Happy weekend, everybody. I'm going to show you what we got going on. So this is Copperhead. Copperhead's been getting a lot of loving lately. The Bruce up job on the inside is basically done. Bruce did an amazing job. The mechanicals are mostly done. So we're not quite done with it yet, but we're done enough with it to give it a maiden voyage. And that's what Lori and I are going to do this weekend. She's coming here. We're gonna head out shortly, and we're going to the Gilmore Car Museum, which is about 40 minutes away, and they have their biggest show of the year this year. And part of that show is also a vintage classic camper show. So we're gonna bring that thing down, and we're gonna sleep in it tonight. If you get there early with a camper, you can camp there. So we're gonna camp in it tonight. We're gonna tow Sarge, because Sarge likes a good car show, and we can haul all of our stuff in the back of Sarge and not have to have it in the back of Copperhead. So we got a tent we'll set up, we got chairs, we got a fan, we got a generator. We'll be comfortable, it'll be fun. Just a huge show, and Gilmore Car Museum is an awesome setting. We love going down there. So what I'd like to do is video the whole thing and put out a YouTube video next week and see how it goes sleeping in this thing. But let me give you a quick look on the inside. It just looks amazing. Bruce did an awesome job. So looking forward to showing this thing off. Looking forward to stretching its legs and see how it does on a trip, pulling a cute little pickup. And looking forward to having a good weekend with Lori. So hope you guys have a great weekend as well, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, heading to Gilmore Car Museum with Copperhead, maiden voyage. We'll see if we can get there for starters.
I'm sure we will.
Should be fine, yep. Everything's packed and loaded. Got Sarge in tow with a bunch of stuff in it, so we'll update as we go. About 15 minutes away. Beautiful road and a beautiful day. I didn't mean for that to rhyme, it just did.
You're just good like that.
Yeah. See how it handles the curves. Like a big truck. So it's thing runs great. All the gauges are doing what they're supposed to do. The temperature's good. The oil pressure is 35. Speedometer works. Fuel gauge works. It kind of rides like a lumber wagon with the straight axle front end and the leaf springs. It's a 57, but we added power steering. We're adding power brakes to it, or we added power brakes already. Doing power steering, but this thing runs great, it drives great, it's handling the load just fine, so far so good.
Here we go. We're almost pulling in to Gilmore Car Museum. Never been here and come in the area, we highly recommend it. It's an amazing place with a lot of history.
Such a nice place.
The barns and buildings are all full of all different kinds of cars, motorcycles, just about anything that has to do with automotive.
It's amazing the collection that they have here at the museums and in the grounds. And then they have a show, and the shows are just amazing as well.
Driving through past some vehicles or some buildings here that all are full of different types of cars, different manufacturers.
They got a whole Ford dealer here. Franklin's across the street over there. I think they got a Cadillac dealer. Yeah, Lincoln dealer
There's
here
Lincoln.
too. Yep.
Cadillac.
Yeah, there's the Cadillac dealer. And all the barns are just amazing.
We are going to go find our parking spot and see what we can do.
See if the campers are out there.
Oh, there are some old campers over there. We'll be back in that area.
All right, we made it to the Gilmore Car Museum. We got a nice shady spot set up here for the weekend. End of all the camper trailers, the RV custom classics. I got to sit on that guy's 1941 Indian. That was cool. Got a little scooter there. This will be neat. I'll show you that tomorrow. That's it's got a slant 6. It's all cut up for display purposes. But a couple of vintage campers, and what's cool is they get pulled by vintage cars. You can see all the vintage trucks and stuff over there. And tomorrow, this place will be packed elbow to elbow. And this is just one of the fields. There's probably 4 or 5 fields that will be full. So yeah, we got a nice camping spot here. The truck ran beautiful, made it here with no problem. Gained a lot of confidence in it. It's really kind of fun to drive. Got a spot for Sarge. Had a good supper. We cooked, what do we have for supper, hon? Well, yeah, street tacos from Costco. Those are good. So yeah, there's an update for now. So far, so good. We did it. We actually made it in bed. Copperhead. We fit. You fit?
Oh, we feel fine. It's cozy.
It's cozy. We're not going to move around much. Got the blue LED light going on over here. And it's, well, we're going to see if we sleep. Think we'll sleep?
I think we'll sleep.
I think we'll sleep.
I think we'll sleep.
We'll probably sleep.
The bed is comfortable.
Yeah. So, good night.
Good night.
We're out. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we did it. We slept in Copperhead last night. And we got some sleep. Yep.
Cars came rolling in.
Yep. Cars are rolling in now, and it's getting full out here. We've had some breakfast already. We're having our coffee, and I think we're gonna go check out the swap meet for a while, and then come back and sit in the shade before it gets too hot. Sound like a plan? All right. All right. Show's going great. We got Scotty here. Scotty's being salesman. Place is packed. Actually, cars have been starting to leave, but this whole back parking lot was full all the way out to the road, all the way down to that tree line as far as you can see. The whole center spot is full, all the way over by the barns and past the barns are full. But I wanted to show you what was on this trailer over here. This guy's Indian. Well, this is a Chrysler Slant 6 that was used for school that Chrysler built as a cutaway to show you how stuff works. And this guy got it given to him. It sat for a long time. He got it given to him, and he restored it and made it work again because it was all froze up. He put a motor on it so it would turn and run. And he has it out here on display. That's his motorhome right there. And that is his girlfriend's Dodge van, which I thought was really cool too. A 76, I think, 74. But all original. Got the cool old seats in it and all the matching curtains. Oh, it even has the race helmet. Look at that. So that's his, she drove this from Detroit area last night. So yeah, it's a great day. The weather's beautiful. Look at that El Camino. Oh, here's a cool old Ford truck. Getting to that one. So this old Ford truck's got a Avion slide-in camper on it. It's amazing the stuff that you see out here. Old GMC motorhome. He was here last year, parked next to us. Yeah, and what a perfect day. It's not too hot out here. We got a nice breeze. So overall, good day. Talk to you later. Yeah, go ahead and answer it. Yeah. I suppose I'll talk to Travis.
We are at Gilmore Car Museum.
Charlie's always got a story. Hi guys. Thanks for visiting. Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
These guys showed up, just happened to be in the neighborhood. Yeah.
4-hour drive.
4-hour drive, yeah, on motorcycles.
Just to see Darren.
Yeah, crazy. People are silly. Camper van heading out. So we're gonna pack up. We got a little bit of rain coming in, so we're gonna try to beat the rain. So I think we're gonna call it a day. So overall, it was a great weekend. Had a lot of fun with Lori. It was awesome being able to visit with the people that stopped by. Charlie and Carla. Scotty was there for a while, so appreciate you guys stopping by. Travis and Jill, friends of ours that we didn't know were coming up, rode their motorcycles up from east of Indy. You saw Lori answer the phone because I was videoing. They were actually at the show looking for us. So that was kind of fun. Got to go out and eat with them as well. So overall, a great show, a great day. Copperhead did awesome. Pulled Sarge like a champ. It had real good road manners, plenty of power. We did all new shocks on it this week. We got the power steering kit to be installed next week, and a few other things to iron out on it. We've got another show to go to tomorrow with it. We probably won't sleep in it again. Sleeping in it was fine for Lori and I. We like our fifth wheel. A little more room in that. So, but overall, what a cool vehicle! It's always fun being able to bring these things back to life and get them on the road, and then get some experiences with them as well. So glad you guys watched. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.